Pizza, check. Lazy boy, check. Entertainment?
Here comes the double kick flip!
Everybody relax. He had a scare. I saved him. He's gonna be fine.
Whoa! It worked, bros! I got soup!
We got soup! We got soup!
Yeah, you got what?
Hey, check it out! My dad's gun!
Great Scott! What were you guys thinking?
Guys, I got the whole thing. Let's put it on YouTube.
Yeah! So epic!
Hold on. You set me up?
We got soup!
Oh, hell no. Give me that camera.
Oh, someone help! It's gonna
Oh,
blow!
come on. Not happy, but I'm here.
Hey, Superman!
It looks like you're gonna have to save me, Superman.
Really? It's up to me. Okay. How, may I ask, did you get strapped to a bomb?
I don't know. I think Lex Luger did it.
Lex Luger did it. The wrestler? He did this? Wow. I mean, I usually fight Lex Luthor.
Oh, Lex Luger! It's your birthday!